I have a really important day tomorrow and I need to bring all of this. But there's no way I can fit it all in my fanny pack, and my backpack is way too big and destroys every fit. So we have to design our own. Let's see. We got a storyboard, my phone, keys and wallet, power bank and a water bottle. Anyway, I have no idea if we can make this work, but we only have 20 hours left, so let's start with these small power bank batteries. Really? I think this is pretty average. Wait, let me see. That's huge. Yeah, I meant let's start with the biggest one. Okay, so I think the best way to attach the batteries is directly on the strap with some sort of elastic, like this. This was my favorite one, so I hope this works. Let me go on, like I blister in the sun. Let me go on, big hands, I know you're the That didn't work. We could try making them even tighter, but it will get really hard to take the batteries out. We can't take that risk. Maybe we can try to design a shell that perfectly fits one of these batteries. I think that's worth a shot. We start with a simple cylinder, add some primitives, and subtract the dimensions of the battery at the end.
If I should come along, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, and ease my mind, imagine how the world would be so very fine, so happy together. I can see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Me and you.
Now we can press print. Let's see. Oh yes! What? How am I supposed to edit that? I don't know. Just do some CGI stuff and use the 3D model that I sent you. Just buy a 3D printer and make it for real. I want to, but they're way too expensive. You can upload your 3D model to JSC 3DP, today's sponsor and the future of manufacturing with advanced 3D printing services. And they got over 20 different material options, from standard resin to engineering grade nylons, metals and plastics. Whoa, okay, I mean, nylon would be perfect, but that's probably really expensive, right? Well, their competitive pricing structure starts at only 3 pennies, and your nylon sleeves would only cost $2.21. What? No way, can you order 3? Sure, they even offer coupons of up to $70 for new users. You get instant quoting and real-time tracking, 48-hour standard lead time and door-to-door delivery, plus enterprise-grade quality control. But just look for yourself. Oh, I will. Can I, I just need to... Thank you. Thanks. Okay, let's see. Whoa, the surface finish looks sick. And that fits perfectly. Well, if you want to customize your own fanny pack or always wanted to try 3D printing for yourself, go to JSC 3DP via the link in the description and get your ideas perfectly printed. Huge thanks to JSC 3DP for sponsoring this video. And look, we can now use elastic to attach the phone, and the last step is to find a spot for the storyboards. Oh, no, we forgot the... You know what I mean. There's no way we can make this fit, cause even when you find a smaller one, the round shape takes up way too much space. We'd literally have to custom make one. Could we So, in theory, a water bottle is made by first melting down little PET pellets. When they're soft enough, they get poured into a tube mold with matching threads to attach a bottle cap. After the PET hardens, the tube can be removed and placed into the final mold, where it gets reheated and blown into shape. If we now customize the final mold, we should be able to just... Whoa. We don't have time to clean all this. Let's just... I have to clean this up eventually. Okay, the mold is done. Now we can prep our preform. Let's test if this works. I'm gonna try to heat this very evenly at around 100 degrees. Whoa! So it's soft enough, but we need to heat it more evenly. Let's try this again. Why is this so difficult? This is much harder than I thought it would be. I don't think fire is gonna work. We need a different heat source that can provide 100 degrees. Water. Going in. It's getting a little soft. There's no way I'm blowing this with my lungs. It's squishy, but the walls are just way too thick. I don't think this is gonna work. This may not be possible. What if we use a thinner walled bottle and a little bit more pressure? Like a bike pump. We just need to take the valve from an old bike tire, make a hole in the cap, and glue it shut. That way we don't need to stretch the plastic itself and can focus on reshaping it. I think there's still a chance, because we don't have much time left. So this is the plan. We fill this bottle with boiling water, causing the bottle to contract. And when the plastic is soft enough, we can drain the water, quickly screw in the pump, shove it into the mold, and start pumping. Don't try this at home. This actually looks great. Let's release the pressure. I mean, it's a little ugly, but it does work, and it is watertight. Sure, it's not the prettiest bottle, but if it fits inside the fanny pack, I'd be pretty happy.
Come straight for the assets. No games, no throw, won't pass it. Pick you up, spit you
Oh, no. Come on. No way. Come on. Oh no. How does this open?